many things that we benefit from in the yeshiva, right? You know, a lot of work goes on behind the scenes to make it happen. And I'm thinking in particular of the office upstairs, you know, whether you want your transcripts, or whether you want a late note, or whether you want, you know, whatever happening, the phone call comes in, you know, on your behalf, or with report cards, or even if you remember when you were interviewed, you know, someone had to call up and make an appointment, and someone had to answer the phone and be here for the interview. So a lot of stuff goes on behind the scenes, and we wanted to express our hakar satov. Now the question, who am I talking about? So in order to answer that question, we like the element of surprise, right? I think we all like surprises.
Yes, we do.
So who is it? I don't know, but I'm going to ask Zach Sherman to help us out.
Oh boy! Okay, so this is the deal. We are welcoming Shirley back, and
I need a bigger zoom.
so we gotta go back in time. We told Shirley that we're celebrating Naomi's birthday today. We're not. So yeah, it's funny. Okay, so we told Shirley that we're celebrating Naomi's birthday today, which we're not. But then we have a little message for Shirley.
Which we're not.
Gotcha, Shirley. You know how much I hate being on video, so I'm doing this just to let you know how much I missed you, and I'm so glad you're back.
Welcome back, Shirley. We really missed you. We're so happy to have you back.
Welcome back, Shirley.
Welcome back, Shirley. Welcome back, Shirley.
Strangers.
Shirley.
Give me an H.
Give me an I.
Give me an L.
Give me an E.
Give me what? What's that spell? Shirley, we wrote this song, and people on the street were so happy about the song we wrote, they wanted to join in. So here we go. You ready? Yeah. 1, 2, we're gonna do the harmony average. You ready? Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Shirley Levy's back in town. We are very happy. We like it when she smiles at us and when she's safe and healthy. Shirley Levy worked so hard to make our school run. We took the time to write this song and like to say thank you. With no disrespect to Mrs. Klein, who did the job nicely. It would just not be wrong without Shirley Levy. We love you, Shirley. Close you too.
I need to get this on. I need to get the bottom piece on. I'm still recording. It's fine, so stop.
So we'd like to call Shirley Levy up to the front of the room now. Come on, wait! Trust! So, give a card to like you told us in the beginning. there? Oh boy. Get him back here. Well, okay, so we're not finished yet.
Oh, but wait, there's more.
Two-way surprise. Robert Kimm's idea. Now, we told Naomi that we were celebrating Shirley coming back today, but we didn't tell her that we were celebrating her birthday, which we are. So, we told Shirley that we're only doing Naomi, and we told her we're only doing Shirley's thing. So we have another video for Naomi. Naomi, please come up to the front. Wait. Alright, you guys. Part two. Be quiet, guys. Guys!
Gotcha! Happy birthday, I love baby! I love you!
Happy birthday, Naomi!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Naomi. Happy birthday to you. And many more. So I came here to get you a cake for your birthday. Check it out. Alright, so kind of ran into a little problem here because I don't really have that much money, so this big birthday cake's over there. I'm sorry. I hope you understand. I just can't afford it. So, I hope this tastes pretty good. Let's go buy it. I've never had this kind of cake before. Naomi, I love you so much. I'm gonna taste it just to make sure it's good for you. Huh? I can't tell you. A little bit more.
That was a good lunch at Traditions.
Yeah,
That's pretty
traditions.
good.
Yummy. What is it for? It's Naomi's birthday cake. It's really good.
Let me taste it.
That's a good cake. Enough, we have to get it. That's a good cake. Doesn't look like anyone has been there. No, it's perfect.
Why don't you go even it out a little bit?
Now go. I'm so happy to give this to Naomi.
Yeah, but why give it to her? She never got us a cake.
It's true. Let's eat it.
This cake is good.